Story time again, man. I'm going to tell you about some story. I remember the days. I remember the days after the days. This story is all about bad boy. And it was a bad boy from over the side where them call him Bad Boy Duck. I know enough of the Spanish town no duck. Wasn't a duck with feather. A duck we carry here. Bad nor ass. Him around the site, you know. And the day it was a Good Friday. It was a Good Friday, so I think them said that day is our bad lucky day. If I'm not telling lie. When that day's Babyface left from down John's Road, mad and charge. Bad nor ass Clark because him decide to take revenge. Decide to put some man in a order. Put some man in a them space. Not even some man, but just one man like baby, like Duck. And it was a story of this thing. I can remember. I think them say it was another bad boy. Original bad boy dog. Clark's boot and diamond socks and khaki pants and plaid shirt, white marine, a kangalat. You see it? Yeah. Many more is named to call around the ghetto. A lot more from cross all over so. A lot more from round so and a lot more from round so and round so. But this, it was the days of dog, Babyface, and Duck. One Babyface decides to take revenge. Cause Duck them is a man. A quack pan him too much. So he didn't like what's going on. And I don't know what kind of flex was going between he and the dog. That he could get the machine from the dog to do such a crazy damage in the time of that Friday. It was a Good Friday. When he decided to leave from all the way from John's Road, well, some people saying was dope up and some saying was coke up. And I don't know which one of them it is on about. He come and he catch Duck on the side and he go to bang boom then boom and he mash up the Duck. The Duck couldn't get to quack. Well, the Duck just lie down and started to gap. And the nigga them on the side go to and make a move. And the dog go to brrp and turn Coolie Town side. And enter through a yard. Rip and the gully bank. Rip over Duck any command. Rip back round the roundabout. Like a Usain Bolt on a that's full speed. I don't know. Like the dog must be a try to care about the dog gun. Or the dog get panic and paranoid. I don't know. But the dog a move like a cartoon. Reaching at the roundabout a bus and the shot so bang! Half of the nigga them and the nigga them duck. Dump on the ground. Rip behind him. Full flight. The man them tail like a eagle around a blood clot rabbit. And then this what he do. He put himself under a bunker. Curl up like a rat under a bridge. And some man say, yo, burn out him to blood clot, Charlie. Do make him pussy turn under there. The boy have to dead. And him a go dead blood clot today. And the man then go to brrrp and fly go up a gas station. Them time at the gas station, right in front, I rise the scheme around, you know. So the man then just go buy $200 worth of gas. One gas, and gallon back like gas, you know. And just come and gas the water. A fire underneath the pan him bumbo clot. And he does roop like a water truck out. Yeah. And then crawl out like a turtle. And when he crawl out like a turtle, when the man call him and say, come out, we not do nothing. And then crawl out. And then go to bang. One big stone under him bumbo clot. Boom, fish gun in a ass clot like a them big black fish. And he does rip back under water like a eel. He chop under there so can now come out. And tremble like a leaf. Because him see it and know that there. Him just slaughter one. And him about to be a slaughterer too. Because the people them oversight, you know. Them people they no ease up when they come to kill you a bumbo seed and a clot, you know. Hey. All when you go back up in your womb where you come from, them a pluck you out and slaughterize you from them say you're a slaughterer. Then go and so they go and deal with you. Them a give you desert justice. And a jungle then give you a desert justice them deal with. Mad Ross. And Babyface didn't decide to come out. And when you hear somebody say, call the police, a police company block, rewa. 1 ton load of police come, and then come now and then go to broop, and I look up big belly one did they say, I know I go like him a done. I tell him and come out, and him and now hear him and say, and you know, you have a bad boy, then call original blacker, them boy, you know, play with people, them boy, they ugly, a dopey making turn black. It did bad, brown like white man, you know. And not kill the boy, kill people. Yo, you amount of people when killing turn black. In black like a real Black Friday man. The man when you see the man advertise from Africa. I saw police black or black. And the boy dangerous. And him come and he not take no talk. Him no hear what go on. He just come to kill. And him tell the boy, say, come out. Boy no want to come out. And boy, no, you have to talk about no shake him. And the man goes so bang and bust one shot. And he shot lick on the brick, you know. And boom back. And he sight him head so like he can sight gunshot. I skill him skill. Like all and skill call him a side shot. The shot a boom back. And lucky all that then clap him all in him face when him go there. He go slap out all the boy the brain. But you are going. Just help him. I don't know if I just help him or with up here him science where I don't work with, but you don't know. And he just turn his shit down and hit up on the boy, you know. And say face come. And face shake here and he say face come. And face shake. And he just come. Ding. And empty whole clip in a face bumbo seed under there. And tape off in a dirty water and just dry him out like how we catch heel out of water. That's for him. That is what I Friday. Mad Rash Cloud Friday. You hear? It didn't good. It turned fucked up. Because I two of them that in space at least 20 minutes to 25 minutes. Never look pretty a bumbo seed. And then deadlift Pitney where did that teed. Yeah. One day deadlift him baby mother where did that breed. I saw things that. But you don't know, I only more story can tell you now. So I don't have to do those. Link me on the story link up and we just start story. Cane piece time, mango time, we have all fishing time. Dog them can tell you, roaches are youth when no left canal na gully. Anyway fish them eat up and me come like, oh my dog say. Check me out in a me other way to clip them when me go to them. Boom!